Open your eyes. Wake up, Link. Link, you are the light. Our light. That must shine upon Hyrule once again.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of CodyCantEatThis. Today I destroyed your favorite game. In my last video I destroyed Dark Souls. Today I'm going to destroy Genshin Impact. So let's get started. The first thing I made is basic movement. Then I made a hard life system and a stamina system. And just like in any LEGO game, you can collect LEGO stats.
Objection!
But Alex, Zelda's game currency are rupees, not LEGO stats. Shouldn't the LEGO stats be rupee shaped?
Dude, I love LEGO bricks. They remind me of my childhood and save me a lot of time in 3D modeling. Not gonna lie. I don't want my LEGO boy to get sick, so let's get him some clothes. And let's climb this bad boy. Okay, this is it. Hyrule, the big moment. Oh man, how can a single person create an entire open world like Hyrule in Unity? You know what? I can figure it out later. Days passed. I procrastinated, but the problem was still there. I realized a single person can't make an exact replica of Hyrule. But what about bootleg Hyrule? But how? I needed answers. So I checked the ultimate source of wisdom. The second page of Google search. And I found it. Okay, you may be wondering what's this. This is a height map. Hyrule's height map. White colors represent high places, and darker colors represent low places. If I feed this to Unity, I get this. Now, paint some textures, add some trees, fog, clouds, 3D models, and that's it. Okay, let's be honest. Hyrule has seen better days. What's that sound? Obviously, you cannot make a Zelda game without bombs. They have appeared in almost every game, which makes me wonder if they will appear in Breath of the Wild 2 too. I mean, the sequel. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, Breath of the Wild features two types of bombs, but since this is a LEGO game, I will only make the squared bomb. I don't think this is gonna be too hard, honestly. I told you, piece of cake. Alright, I was wrong. So, the bomb leaves a trail, which looks kinda cool, but it's too long. So, I have to fix this bug. One of the things I love about Breath of the Wild is how bombs can be used to explore Hyrule. So, let's see if we can do the same in my game. You guys know that I love to make accurate game recreations. So, just like in the original game, weapons break after 2 hits. Okay, that was a joke. I actually love how the weapon system makes you use different weapons and not only one. Next thing on the list is gliding. I made a paraglider out of Lego pieces and boy, look at this! Gliding over bootleg Hyrule feels really good. Now, gliding and bombs weren't particularly hard to make, but the stasis system... I'm not gonna lie, physics don't make me go yes. And I need physics to create the stasis, so this took me longer than I expected.
Hole-in-one!
Listen, I programmed the physics, so my code, my rules. We are going to send that rock to the Hyrule Castle. A perfect hole-in-one. Destination set. Let's test it out. Yeah, just as planned. Wait, isn't that the castle? Oh. You're the worst audience I've ever had. Why didn't you tell me I selected the wrong destination? Never mind, I can use the paraglider too. Oh no.
There's a bug! Well guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you...
Did you really think I wasn't going to make a boss battle? I started by taking some references, then I made this Guardian 3D model in Blender, and finally I followed this great tutorial about procedural animation by Weaver Dev. If you want to know more about procedural animation, check out the links in the description. Now let's fight this weird spider. Come on, what are you going to do? Alright, that's it. I'm gonna break your legs. Literally. What are you going to do now, you Australian spider? Oh shit! You had too many legs. You should have used them to run away from me. Well, that's it for today's video. Hit subscribe or else I will turn you into a Lego minifigure like I did to Dual Wielded, developer of Cave, a game you can wishlist on Steam. Alright, see you next time.